There's a day in my life as a daycare provider, part 3. I am leaving to go do lunch duty at my kids' school, and my husband is subbing for me. Thank you. Bye, everybody. I'll be back in a little bit, okay?
Bye, Jessica.
Bye. You guys be good for Rick, okay? I'll be back in just a little bit. And I'm off. I actually feel so lucky and grateful that I get to go do this at my kids' school. I think it's really cool. Like, I get to know their classmates. I get to kind of be like a part of their school day. All right, here I go. I should have eaten something because I'm already starving, and I know I won't be able to eat probably for like another couple hours yet. It's like almost 11 o'clock, and I don't get back until like 12:30, and then I gotta get right to getting kids ready for naps and stories and all that. So I won't be able to eat for a while. I did just find gum in my pocket, so that's gonna pull me over. No veggies on your plate or fruit? Just chili and a cinnamon roll?
I don't like chili. So I'm gonna eat my cinnamon roll and chocolate milk.
Yeah, give me her
This is
chili.
the best chili.
This is good chili.
No, it's not.
I like it. I have the kids outside for recess now, and they're all pretty much playing Foursquare. There's not very many kids in the class. There's 4th through, I think, 10th graders here. And I'm just gonna kind of review what I'm teaching them, because after recess, I teach them devotionals. It's just like part of my lunch duty here at their school. All right, I'm done with lunch duty. Gonna head back home, but I just called my husband and things are all going great. They're done with lunch, they're cleaning up. So I'm gonna stop by Taco John's because it's on my way and grab him and I lunch. I got us each a mean potato burrito with fried chicken. That's like our favorite. I forgot my purse, but I have like 1,000,000 ones in my vehicle for like this game that we play called Horses, Racing Horses or something. Anyway, so paid in all ones.
1222, please. Pretty color.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. I stopped recording. I didn't think I was going to get it that fast, which is perfect because now I can get home to all my kids. But it sounds like they had a good time. But they're always like way excited to see me when I get back. Like, kind of have to take a deep breath before I go in because they're going to be way excited. All right, I don't know if he showed what they ate for lunch in his video, but it looks like the SpaghettiOs went over pretty well. Looks like empty plates over here for my little two also. Wow, pretty good.
Almost all the stuffed animals.
Wow. Are those your socks? I think so. All right, lunch for my lunch.
Good job. I did that this week.
Everybody's doing great. Good job. We got a whole little obstacle course going on.
Look, look.
Yep, keep going. Yeah. Good job. Okay, show me how fast. Whoa. Holy moly. Not everybody wants to show me. All right, story time. Should we sing the ABCs first?
No.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. We're going to sing that again and see if you guys can sing it quietly, okay? G, H, I, J, K,
Y, and Z.
now I know. All right, okay, everybody quietly stand up. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head. All right, let's try it again. A little bit faster. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Okay, now we're gonna do it fast. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Then eyes and shoulders, knees and toes. A rainbow of my own. You guys made a rainbow of your own today, didn't you?
Yeah.
You get to bring your rainbow home with you. Rainbow. And it was so beautiful that I wanted to catch it for my very own. Reach out in front of you and try and catch it. Reach. The rainbow should have been. It wasn't bird and I'll look around. Can you guys look around? The sun was shining through the water in the goldfish bowl and it made a rainbow just for me. What's this? Green! Skin would change from brown to green to yellow. Ryan is right, his snake. I can't hide in the grass anymore because you can see my bright red skin from a mile away. And when the sun came out, the jungle was back to normal. The stripe. And now what color is this? Blue. You guys got to help me say the colors, okay? Because colors make up our whole world.
Rainbow.
Pink. Color.
Red.
It pulls my hair. I turn red. I'm angry as a bear.
Blue. Whoa.
It's not always up to you the way that you feel, but how you act is a different deal. Can you guys tiptoe? Can you guys show me how you can tiptoe to your bed quietly? I don't know if I said, but I did change diapers and toilet everybody before I started reading stories. That's going to be the end of part 3, so go to part 4 for the last part of my day.